Hello and welcome to video number 5. This is about hyperlinks. First things first, you need to be opening up Microsoft Word, whether you are using a Mac or PC. As I stated earlier, this is part of our strategy and this is what works for us in relation to the PDF conversion softwares that we have tested. So go ahead and open up Microsoft Word if you can and follow along if you would like to, or feel free to watch to the end of this video and follow along later. Now, in order to create a hyperlink, what you need to do is you need to highlight the word or words. So if you want to hyperlink the word hi domain, you just highlight that. Or let's say, for example, we're going to say click here to learn more about this product. We can highlight that. We can right click it, click on hyperlink. And then, of course, you want to enter the URL right here. Now, Microsoft Word is going to give you different options. You can hyperlink to an existing file or web page, hyperlink within the document itself. You can create a new document, or you can set up email addresses. Now, for the purpose of this particular video course, remember, our goal is to link to our website or the website that we are promoting. So all we want to do is make sure this one is selected and then enter the URL. So in this case, make sure that you have http://www.yourdomain.com, whatever that might be. Now, let's say, for example, we'll just do google.com for the sake of simplicity. And up at here, you can target frame. Now, what this means is you have the ability to control the click. So if somebody opens up your PDF file, oftentimes, if you think about it, there are two different situations. Either the PDF file will be downloaded to their computer, and then they'll open it up via Adobe Acrobat Reader, or in a different situation, they will click the link and the PDF file will be opened up within their internet browser as a new tab. Now, if that is the case, if they click on the link, by default, the link will open to the web page in the same window as the PDF file. In this case, I will recommend that you choose the target frame to be a new window. And the reason being is because if they click that link and they are in an internet browser, for example, then a new window or a new tab will be opened up. So if they want to refer back to your PDF file, they can always do so. So I would say new window is the best. Now, as you can see, there are other options here: same frame, whole page, parent frame, and other advanced tactics here. But the one that primarily will probably do the best will be new window. Now, you will see an option that says set as default for all hyperlinks. Now, what that means is you're setting new window to all hyperlinks. So let's say, for example, that you have 30 hyperlinks that you created and you forgot to set it at new window, or you decide to switch it back to same frame. Instead of having to go one by one, all the way through and changing the setting right here, all you have to do is set as default for all hyperlinks, click OK, OK, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how easy it is to hyperlink a text. Now, if you want to hyperlink, let's say, for example, a shape, you can also do that as well. So if we go over here to Insert, and we click on shape, and let's say, for example, we have an arrow and we want to create an arrow like this, and we'll make this arrow red. And why don't we turn this arrow around, and let's point this arrow at this hyperlink, and let's say we want to hyperlink this arrow. Same thing with a shape. All you have to do is select it, right click, hyperlink, and do the exact same thing. Now, you can do this exact same thing with other items as well. The only thing that you cannot do is, let's say, for example, that you wanted to hyperlink a section, but if you had a certain image or certain images clumped together and you wanted to hyperlink a whole section, you would have to have an advanced feature, which is a PDF conversion tool to do that, which would be part number 2. Now, part number 1 would allow us, utilizing WinZip, to convert these hyperlinks so that when it is converted to a PDF format, the hyperlinks still work. Now, you'll notice sometimes if you use free PDF conversion tools that when you do convert to a PDF file, the hyperlinks don't pass through. So the hyperlinks only work within Microsoft Word itself. So I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk about everything you need to gather up until this point so that you can make sure that when you do the conversions, everything will work perfectly. All right, we'll see you there.